Welcome YouTubers. Today we got a special treat called Albanian Delight. Why that? Well, every time I Google it, everyone just calls it the same thing. They just call it Ritz crackers with peanut butter covered in chocolate. Like, it's just a really long title and it's technically Albanian, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, hanging with my heifers. Got no heifers, so I got my sister here. Got her bandana. Hers is technically red. I'm using pink for her because I want a red lipstick. So let's get started. 3 ingredients. Melting chocolate, Ritz crackers, salty sweet, and peanut butter. First thing we're going to do is melt our chocolate. You can put it in the microwave, just keep microwaving it, or you can throw it in here and slowly melt it. You just keep stirring it. Ooh, Bridget. Okay. I'm going to show you how to make one. You want a good bit of chocolate because you want to be able to actually dip it. Look at that, it's starting to already melt. I got it on low. Wooden spoon. I'm just going to keep stirring it. Melting nicely. I'm just going to keep spinning it so it just keeps melting. And I'm just going to come back when it's actually liquid. And there it is. Melted. Okay, so now it's all liquidy. We're going to take 2 crackers, a butter knife. That's not a butter knife. That's a butter knife. I'll just put it right here. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Let's see. I broke the cracker. Okay, that one was like the first one. They are a little bit more brittle. Let's see, so I'm just doing like this. And you can be a little bit more generous because you're going to coat it in chocolate. So you kind of want it present. It's all about how you want your little cookie. See, that one did a lot better. That was just the very first cracker in the row. Bam. I'm going to move this closer. I know. Hot surfaces and paper, but okay. Just dip it. And you kind of just do it in half, and you kind of just have the spoon just kind of come up on it. Got half of it. Now, if you have some white chocolate, you can kind of like do some milk chocolate, do some dark chocolate, do some white chocolate, ow! That's hot. Or do like a yin-yang thing. You know, it's just whatever. Oopsie. Now I'm going to take it and just dip it on this side. And there we go. You can just plop it in there. Just, you know, just blop, 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 blop. Throw some stuff on it. Flip it over. And there you go. And I'm just going to take it out. Shake off a little bit of chocolate. Save some for the rest. And just plop it on your parchment paper to cool. And that's how you make Albanian Delight. In a second, I'll let it cool and show you what it looks like when it's cut in half. Okay, they've been sitting in the freezer to get them all nice and cool. As you can see, not sticky. Whoops! And that's what they look like. It's really fun, guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye.